In 2021, Kelvin Rongpi was arrested by the police after he was convicted to a murder of two companions, Anisha Ingtipi and Sobita Hansepi at Lokiram Rongpar village, Upper Dagram. It was informed that he was released from the Jorhat juvenile cell in 2022, and within a week right after his release, he was re-arrested on a charge of robbery. Kelvin Rongpi was arrested by the police after he was convicted to a murder of two companions, Anisha Ingtipi and Sobita Hansepi, on the same day while they were on their way to a nearby river for fishing at Upper Dagram. This had horrified and caused anxiety among the villagers. Kelvin Rongpi was taken to Jorhat juvenile cell as he was underage last year. After keeping him in custody for almost a year, Kelvin Rongpi was then liberated from Jorhat juvenile cell in the year 2022. And right after his release from the detention cell, he was engaged in several offences like burglary, robbery and bad deeds. Hence, on 18 September at around 5:30 p.m. late evening, he was caught red-handed by the villagers of Bornirja area. He was later handed over to the police. On asking Kelvin Rongpi repeatedly, he informed that he was not the only one indulged in this robbery, but also three others were engaged along with him.
Mantu bilang so planning iklim mantu.
Itu presiden an ajar di dalam ciklu yang drop siapa lanwe ni siapa kaya
kali. Ita hola dah ni jimla la phun ka huma bang la.
Kuma bang ni ta latan itu party lo sta hala belega phun hala ladak pen lo ni tu cekak dah.
Itu bina panang ne blong le.
Village headman of the region while speaking to us said Kelvin Rongpi had committed a crime and was sent to jail for this reason, and right after his release, he is again engaged in several offences like burglary, robbery and bad deeds, creating anxiety among the villagers. Hence, a crime-convicted individual like him should be detained and never allowed to get along with the mainstream society.
Lom si plang pola so lom si nep check lo aju der baji lom so lom nep check lo mama lili hem an ke dui baji pornang le lo masi gangbura pusi raya strang bang si nili phanang tholo masi nangli hem nangli rong long si le bang so kang pi nep check lo po si nangli hem long le aja se ta chingwai matik lo pusi nili tum dak chingwai len sar pen si dan thana pan information PC nilitung police riding si hodai der.
Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati and Subhas Derang's report from Langchathing for Karbi Anglong Live.